Good day, students. Shortcut to arrange ligands in spectrochemical series. So you see, we have that in the NCERT book. We have so many ligands, weak ligands to strong ligands. So I'm just going to tell the shortcut to arrange the ligands. See, the first thing is write the period carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. So carbon is 6, 7, 8, and fluorine is 9. Below fluorine, you have chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So below oxygen, you have sulfur, and below nitrogen, you have phosphorus. In this case, you have to see the electronegativity value. Electronegativity value increases. Electronegativity value increases on moving along a period. So carbon is having less electronegative value and fluorine is having high negative electronegative value. In this case, which is having less electronegative value will be a strong donors. And which is having high electronegativity value will be the weak donors. This is when you have carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine as a donors. Maximum the donors will be in this only. Now, you have a question, right? If you have two donors with carbon, Cn minus and CO, here both are carbon donors. Then which will be the stronger? See here, when you have an anion, this is weak. Comparatively weak, not a very weakest, it is comparatively weak. So in this case, Cn minus will be weaker donor than carbonyl. See, we have so many explanations, I am giving only the shortcut. If you have nitrogen, say for example, if you have NH3, ethylene diamine, and then you have NO2 minus. So like this, if you have the ligands, see here in this case, it has lone pair of electrons. In ethylene diamine also, you will be having lone pair of electrons. And in this case, you have an anion. See here, if you have an anion, you have to see the next atom attached. This is oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative. So it will pull the electron towards itself. So what happens? A nitrogen will become less electronegative. When comparing this, this is the strongest ligand, that is NO2 minus will be strongest because you have oxygen here. Then next will be ethylene diamine. Here you have lone pair of electrons, that is you have more lone pair of electrons. And then comes ammonia. See, in this ethylene diamine, it forms ring-like structure, chelate. This is also having lone pair of electron. This is also having lone pair of electron. But when it forms a chelate structure, it will be more stronger than which does not form the chelate structure. And if you have an ion, you have to see nitrogen is attached to what atom? Here, this oxygen will be having more electronegative value, so this will be stronger. Then some more elements of nitrogen comparing NCS. So nitrogen here also will be having an anion. See the nitrogen, it is attached to what? Carbon, which is less electronegative. So this will be weak. You got it. So when I am arranging ammonia, ethylene diamine, NO2 and NCS, the first one comes with NCS minus because it has an anion and it is attached to a less electronegative atom. Then we have two lone pair of electrons. Then comes NH3. It is having a lone pair of electron. Then comes En because it is chelating property. And then comes NO2 minus. Here N is attached to the oxygen which is having high electronegative value. So this is the way to arrange the weaker to stronger ligand. We will see some example of the chelating ligand. See, I am giving a set of list and I will explain how to arrange it. Let us take NH3, Br minus, I minus, NCS minus, H2O, C2O4, 2 minus, OH minus, ethylene diamine, CO, S2 minus, SCN minus, EDTA 4 minus, Cn minus, F minus, Cl minus. So I am going to rearrange. Let us have this clue: CNO, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and you have below oxygen, you have sulfur, and here you have phosphorus here. First I am arranging weaker to stronger. First I am writing halogens. What are halogens here? See, fluorine minus is there, bromine minus is there, iodine minus is there, and then chlorine is there. So these are halogens present. First you arrange the halogens. Next to halogen is oxygen. So what are oxygen donors? In this case, this is nitrogen is the donor, nitrogen is the donor. Here water, H2O, this is neutral. This is an oxygen donor. Here oxygen is the donor atom. And in this case you have C2O4, 2 minus. Here also you have oxygen as a donor. In this case OH minus. Here also oxygen as the donor. Then I think that's all. Then comes nitrogen. So you have to sort out what are nitrogen donor. In which ligand nitrogen is a donor. Ammonia, nitrogen is a donor. NCS minus, nitrogen is a donor. And then in the EN, ethylene diamine, nitrogen is the donor. Then EDTA, here also nitrogen acts as a donor. That's all. Next is carbon. Carbon we have CO and Cn minus. So we sorted out according to the donor atoms. Next, I am going to arrange the ligands weaker to stronger ligand. See here, fluorine will be having high electronegative value, that should come first. So when we comparing the ligands, iodine is having more atomic radii. So because of this bigger size, there will be repulsion. The first comes is iodine minus. The next comes is Br minus. The next is Cl minus. And the next is fluorine minus. Why this is the case means because of the more atomic size of iodine. Next, so all the halogens are arranged. Next, coming to the oxygen donors, because before fluorine this is oxygen, that will be weaker. So in this case we have three oxygen donors. One is water, that is aqua, this is neutral. Then this is oxalate, COO minus, COO minus. See here, I already said if you have a negative ion, then that will be weaker compared to if you have a lone pair of electron. So you have two negative ions here. This is also a negative ion, that is anion. This is also an anion. Now which forms ring? This forms ring. So this is comparatively stronger. So OH minus is weaker, and then comes COO minus, that is oxalate ion, and then comes neutral. So we completed oxygen. Next, coming to nitrogen. See nitrogen here, you have negative charge and negative charge. And you have NH3 is lone pair and En is lone pair. In these 4 things, this is having lone pair and it is also having ring-like structure. So this will be the strongest. And then it is a lone pair, and next comes, this is the strongest. So I am giving 4 and this is 3. This is the next strongest. Then comparing the negative charge and negative charge, this forms ring. And this does not form ring. So next stronger will be this one, and this is the weaker in the nitrogen. See here, NCS is weaker, and then comes EDTA. EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetate, which forms a ring. In this, you have 2 nitrogen atoms, that is the donor. You have also your oxygen donor, but nitrogen we are taking into consider. Next comes next to EDTA is single donor, that is ammonia. Next to ammonia is the double donor, that is ethylene diamine, which forms a chelating ring. And the last is you have CO and CN. In this case, CN minus, it is an anion. So it will be weaker comparatively to CO. See, you have lot of explanation for CO, but just I am giving a shortcut. I think we arranged all except this S2 and SCN. Sulfur, where it comes? So it is below oxygen and before chlorine. We know that if it is before chlorine, the electronegativity value is less and it is more. If the electronegativity value is less, it should be stronger than chlorine. So S2 comes here. It should be stronger than chlorine. Now in the case of SCN, this is the only exceptional case. After doing all the experimental spectrochemical experiments, it is identified that SCN is one of the weakest ligand. So it is not coming after S2 minus, it is coming before SCN minus. This is one of the exceptional cases. See, after I minus and Br minus, it comes SCN minus and Cl(S2) fluorine. So these are all given explanation. This is only the exceptional cases. One question is asked in NEET 2020. So you have to arrange according to the spectrochemical series. You have SCN minus, then CN minus, C2O4 2 minus, and then F minus. See, these 4 ligands are given. You have to arrange from weakest to stronger. So I am classifying this. Here sulfur is the donor, here carbon is the donor, here oxygen is the donor, and here fluorine is the donor. So we have all the 4 different, so it is easy to arrange. Which will be the strongest? Because C is having C, N, O and F. This will be strongest and this will be weakest ligand. So this is the strongest ligand. So Cn minus is the strongest ligand. And then comes oxygen. So you have oxygen. So next is nitrogen, you have oxygen. So oxygen is the next one. And this then should be fluorine and SCN. So exceptional case, SCN is the weakest ligand because we saw that fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So after I and Br minus, S will come. Then only chlorine. So this is the option given, and this is the correct option. You have 4 different options and you not F minus and SCN. This is wrong. So SCN is the weaker, then fluorine minus, then oxalate ion, and then Cn minus. Hope this helps.